if it starts spilling at 6 meters high, what happens when you go to the 12 meters high? Is there a possibility, Tuma, because that side is very low, and this side you can see there is that embankment that is big enough, is there a possibility of a side spill? And that might necessitate to have what we call salt dams. It has happened elsewhere, we have it in Dwake. If it happens in Makamini, you have a problem with your budget.
So the issue is on your elevations. Just to remember about your...
How good are your elevations? Because if you get them wrong, if this is 6 meters and it is spilling already, what happens when we get to 12 meters? Will you, the elevation from that side, when you take your levels, I don't know what is your benchmark, ukifika kule, you might have a problem with that cover.
So the spillway is on this other side.
Okay.
The crest, as engineers said, is 199.
Okay.
So the dam itself will go up to 199.
Okay.
But the normal water level, the maximum water level has been set at 195. So
you have an overboard of 4 meters?
Sorry, 3.5 meters.
3.5? What for?
Just for that emergency.
What for? What emergency are we talking about? Well, you have a spillway. Are you expecting one day the spillway is not adequately sized? You will have overtopping of the crest.
Of the crest, yeah.
Yeah. So
you see, that's my worry. If right now you are about to spill at 6 meters, when you go 12 meters, what do you expect?
It may be serious. So I think it's an area you have to...
You look at your designs again. All I'm saying, you look at your designs again.
Look at the designs and then let's put what Waziri is saying into consideration.
No, just confirm your levels, because right now you are at halfway.
Yes, we are at halfway.
You have an overflow at halfway.
Yeah, because at halfway,
what happens at 12? It was spilling somewhere, isn't it?
Because you see, this is what was now, what was going to go.
What is the width?
Imagine.
Yes.
Why?
In fact, this one that we're seeing was just an emergency spillway to protect during construction.
Okay.
Yeah, the actual spillway, you see that end where the excavation has started? That is the actual spillway.
That level?
Yeah,
that level?
76 meters across. No, that is the top level of it. The bottom level...
So that will be 199. Yeah, it will be 195.
195, yes.
195.5, because he's saying there's 3.5 overboard. 90?
194.5.
194.5
is where the spillway will begin.
Yes.
Then you have 5 point something as overboard. What for?
4.5.
Ya nini sasa hiyo yote kubwa hivyo?
You know, when they make the design, they have checked, they have done some report, and they did some analysis. They found this area has a big flood, and we want to keep it safe and all minimize our risk, so they designed like that.
So they gave an overboard of 4.5 meters because of the flood that is coming.
Yeah, flood
but
is very...
to control flooding, you just size your spillway properly. If you do your proper modeling, you're supposed to size your spillway based on maybe a return period of 1 in 50, 1 in 100 years of the biggest flood around. So you don't have as...
So that you can accommodate
any future floods. You don't need that.
This is 1 in 10,000.
1 in 10,000?
1 in 10,000 years.
And you are still now having an overboard of 4.5 meters.
Okay, Waziri,
Angalia tena.